And Satra Muhui, and a card, the Rebeni Pabra Muhuina, Pofa, Philip Ofori, Ampo, Asante, and Opeke, the forms, and that, or submitted forms, you know, at the Alcohol Party office, and any pardon, Edina Chisa, Kaya, Ofori Asante, the picture, and a Tata Hono, a friend Pofa, Oka Pofa. Now our body being said, Yame and Sa Ewo. Or picking nomination form and or submitted nomination form. Now we have any part any idea from that constituency, Eddie Dinner Chia and Mama Baby. Any Pabra, a critical issue in a support Philip Ofori Asante Pofa. And also submitted the forms in MPP constituency executives. And the Padudu Amuhi and Philip Ofori Asante and Comfort. Ofori Asante, Philip Ofori Asante. I don't know to so all him hand to white. Philip Ofori Asante. I don't know to so Philip Ofori Asante. And I took so I'm making a nomination for and I also making nomination for Pofa. Oka Pofa now I can't from that constituency for and MPP for Otai Pofa Philip Ofori Asante and Opeki nomination form no or the MPP and penny for our advance from that constituency. Your hair Asura Khan as well, Pofa Ofori Asante on any for on our border Chidom delegates and a kind of one Ejran in China. Philip Ofori Asante Pofa and also submitted a nomination form. We are in Saturday and the Kaya, a dear Chebra, on